Now, India's love affair with two-wheelers is something that we all know of. And out of that, scooters have also been gaining popularity recently. The scooter category itself has grown 31% in this year alone, with over 5 lakh scooters sold in total. Now we all know the big names in this category, and the one on the number 2 spot is this, the TVS Jupiter, and the brand has given a complete refresh to this popular 110cc segment scooter, and in this video I will tell you all about it. Now, when I say that the design has been completely refreshed on the new Jupiter, I mean that it has been completely refreshed while still retaining the basic fundamentals of the design language of the scooter that we are used to seeing. The first thing that will grab your attention, first of all, is this big LED light bar in the center of the front fascia. Now, what this does, it also gets integrated indicators for this generation and gets a really good contrast because of this plastic plaque in the middle. Upstairs, you also get to see the LED headlamp that is also contrasted by, again, a blacked out plastic plaque. Now, apart from that, this is one of the hero colors for the Jupiter 110 this year, and this is the blue one. They also have a matte rose gold kind of shade that also looks really nice. Overall, there are a bunch of colors available in both glossy and matte finishes, and that will be coming up on your screen right now if we have the visuals. Now, let me show you what's changed on the side profile of the scooter before we take a look at the rear end as well. Now, overall, the side profile of the scooter again remains largely the same. The silhouette seems to be quite typically a Jupiter, but there are big changes. When compared to the earlier model, it got a very waterfall kind of cascading shapes here. For this year, you see that there are sharp lines that go horizontally towards the front end, and that gives it a different kind of characteristic for the 2024 model. Of course, you get the Jupiter badging here, and then you have the exhaust unit right down there as well with the protective stainless steel cover as well. You've got your footsteps here, and there are a lot of provisions for storage in the Jupiter as well, and that is something that it is also been known for over the years, you know, giving a lot of segment first features, a lot of storage capacity units, starting with this floorboard right here, which TVS says that can even house a complete LPG cylinder if you need to carry something like that. Then you also get a USB point here. You've got your all-in-one locking system right here with the key, and also a 2-liter glove box right down here as well. Coming to this element, well, this is a baggage hook. Now let's take a look at the main storage area of the Jupiter, because when we buy a scooter, one of the main concerns is storage, of course. And here you see that this gets a 33-liter under-seat storage capacity and can also house 2 helmets. Now that is something that is really handy for families, and the families is where this scooter is targeted at. New young families that are ambitious and looking for a mobility solution that does not look out of date and is also efficient and easy to live with. And that is where the storage department area story finishes for the TVS Jupiter. Now, a lot of exciting things and changes have been made to the Jupiter's drivetrain as well, which I will be coming to shortly, but let me show you the digital driver information cluster right up here as well once. Now this is of course Bluetooth enabled and also gets TVS's Smart X Connect connected features, a bunch of them that help you in your day-to-day riding and life. Now everything is laid out here very simply. The digital screen has a kind of a vertical format, so it is pretty easy to read. We were out here on the test track riding the new Jupiter, and I would like to report that I did not have any big difficulty in reading out what was the information on this information display when I was directly under the sun. So that is a good thing again. Now Now just like the front end, the new Jupiter also gets the infinity light bar, LED light bar at the rear here as well, and this is something really cool. I mean, in terms of its aesthetics, it's not something that we've seen before, and this also gets the integrated indicators just like the front side has as well. Now one of the things that the Jupiter is known for is offering your fuel cap not under the seat but somewhere accessible, and that gets continued here as well, as you can fill your fuel up right from up here and get on the go as soon as you're done with that. Now while those were broadly the design changes on the all new Jupiter, we have to talk about what all has changed in the engine department, the drivetrain department as well. Now of course this is the 113cc 4-stroke engine that TVS has been giving earlier as well, but it has gone through a lot of changes for it to become more efficient this time around, and it also gets a kind of a micro hybrid system which TVS calls the iGo Smart Assist. Now what all that includes is that it gets the integrated starter generator, controller for that, and a high performance battery assisting all of that tech as well. And the result is that the 113cc engine is able to put out slightly over 8 horsepower and 9.8 Newton meters of torque, combined with the engine and the micro hybrid system working together. Now that system also comes in really handy for increasing the efficiency of the scooter, because what that allows the scooter to do is that when you are standing at a red light, you are just idling, the scooter will itself turn off, and once you are ready to move, you just need to hold the brake, blip the throttle, and the scooter will come back into life without any extra duress on the components themselves. Now TVS told us that the scooter is around 6 to 10% more fuel efficient than the earlier version. Considering that the earlier version had a claimed fuel mileage efficiency of 50 kmpl, you can expect this one to theoretically give you a 55 kilometers per liter fuel efficiency figure. Now while I was on the track, I was pulling it as much as I can, and even then it was giving us a fuel efficiency figure of 39 kmpl. Now all that gadgetry combined with the fact that this scooter is actually roughly 4 kilos lighter than the one previously sold makes this pretty quick off the line as well. And not only that, TVS has also informed us that all the suspension equipment in the new Jupiter 110 has been carried over from the Jupiter 125, which is based on the latest platform, just like this scooter here as well. Now what that does is that it theoretically also gives the Jupiter much better straight line behavior and makes it really nimble when you are trying to take turns and curves. And that is something that I did feel the scooter to be very interactive. It was very intuitive in the way I was able to change direction on it and hold straight line speeds as well. However, do not expect the scooter to cross well beyond the 80 kmph mark, because even in the straight track that we had, that was not the case that was happening. The maximum it went was 82 kmph. However, the good thing here is that the combined braking system and the suspension and everything comes together to give you a really refined and comfortable riding experience, which is something that is important for customers in this segment. Last but not the least, it isn't only the digital screen up here and the SmartX connected features in terms of tech that the new Jupiter has, because it also gets a lot of extra goodies like follow me home headlamps and also the emergency braking alert system that is new in this scooter as well, which basically means that if you decelerate the scooter in an emergency situation quicker than 6 kilometers per hour, then the scooter will start flashing all of its 4 indicators on front and back to alert riders around it as well. So that was all about the all new TVS Jupiter. Now at the time that I am making this video, the scooter has not been officially launched yet, so I cannot help you out with the prices, but you will definitely be seeing them somewhere on your screen down below here right now. Let us know what you thought about this all new version of the highly popular TVS Jupiter 110 in the comment section below. Let us know any questions that you might have about this scooter, because we would love to answer them and also take you through what all has changed in detail as well. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Until next time, this is Amber Banerjee signing out.